Here at Accurately Controlled Environments, we have a 24-hour answering service, which means I have someone with a live pulse answering my phone 24 hours a day. It's never a machine, never press a number and put a prompt and put a beeper in it. Our answering service is a friendly service. She'll answer the phone or he'll answer the phone 24/7 when our office is not open. And anytime you call that number, you'll have a live person. They're going to ask you your problem, and if you need service immediately, they will dispatch that call immediately. And my motto is, you will be called back within 15 minutes. So anytime someone calls on an after-hour situation, our company's answering service is going to say, if you don't hear from the service technician within 15 minutes, please call back and we'll get through to them. Sometimes our phones can't get to the technician because they're in a basement or in a bad area and the phones don't work. We all know how phones can be. Okay, but we offer 24-hour service. We'll respond to your needs and solve your problem.